Victor, push the button. Push the button, Victor. Push the button again.
The lady is going to come to get the,
Victor likes to test the carbon monoxide detector.
the lady for the bubble wrap is going to come, between 10:30 and 11:30 tomorrow morning.
Okay, I'm taking a video now.
Oh. You want me to film?
I got it.
Mickey, why do you love that so much?
Oh, he gets a big smile every time. Battery's gonna die. Vicky just projectile vomited all over the place.
All over his mom.
It was a huge mess all over. And it's Vicky's bedtime. Ha 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 ha. Alright, Victor. You should